Hi guys, in this video, let's try to import CSV data into SQL Server 2025. It's a straightforward and easy way in importing data into SQL Server 2025. So without using any ETL tools. So let me quickly show you what is the CSV file I have, and then I'll load that into SQL Server. So let me quickly open in the notepad. So where you can see here. So the first I have four records with four columns: ID student, student name, subject, marks. So I have four records: Raj, Ramu, John, and Derek. Okay, so this is their respective records and their marks. So let me quickly go to the SQL Server Management Studio. So where I connected to my SQL Server 2025, and I'm going to right click on a database where I want to import. Right click, task, import plat file, and click on next this information window and browse and select the student file. Click on OK, and table name actually whatever the table I want to create in the SQL Server for newly. I can change. See, by default it comes with a file name. So file name is student. That is the reason why table name also coming as student. Okay, so now let's change. If you want name of the table, you can change here, and the schema is by default DBO it goes. Currently I don't have any other schemas. Okay, so let's click on next. Yes, so you can see the data as well along with the column headers, and it shows you the first 50 records only. If the file contains more than 50 records, that won't come actually. Okay, so now you can click on next, and here it proposes data types depending on the data. So it's a ID student coming as a tiny int, but I don't want the tiny int integer. I want next marks also. I don't want to go with the tiny int. I'll go with the int. Okay, so let's click on next, and this is the description like what we are trying to do. Server name is PC, this one Venkat PC, database name is sample, table name is student, and file to be imported is student.csv. Click on finish. Yes, it's done now. So click on close. Now quickly come to SQL Server Management Studio and just refresh for now and go to new query, type select star from student. Click on this. So this is how you will be getting the data in the SQL Server 2025. That's it. So let's meet in the next video.